In Mumbai, the Maharashtra civic body elections brought jubilant scenes as Shiv Sena UBT candidate Nishikant Shinde secured victory in the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation polls. Supporters gathered outside the counting centre, bursting into celebrations with cheers, slogans and festive energy. The win added momentum to the party's presence in the civic body, reflecting strong local support. Shinde's victory was marked by enthusiastic crowds waving flags and expressing joy, highlighting the importance of the BMC elections in shaping Mumbai's governance. The celebrations showcased the party's grassroots strength and the emotional connect between leaders and their supporters.
पैसा पसारला तुम्ही षडयंत्र रचा तरी पण एकनिष्ठ आम्ही दिवस रात्र मेहनत केलेली आहे लक्षात घ्या आणि ही निष्ठेची लढाई आहे एक लक्षात घ्या पहिला खासदार पडला दुसरा आमदार पडला तिसरा
मध्ये